body. I've noticed that people having trouble installing the wind deflectors, the mirror wind deflectors. So I find it super easy. I just wanted to show you how it sits. You have them like this, the tape on the inside, like that. That's it. You have two of them, and you will notice that the other one won't fit, of course. So it's super easy. Remove the tape, you just fit it like that. That's it. I'm pretty sure I've installed it right, but I didn't expect to get this gap. But I don't know if that would make any difference, but I believe it sits just the way it can sit. Install this one a little bit lower, which I don't like, just to see if the gap was a bit smaller, and it is. The gap is even and smaller, but it's supposed to be side by side with the side mirror. So I guess the fitting isn't better than that. And I'm glad to say that they absolutely work. No wind in my face. Super comfortable to drive around with that.